Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something special, building the perfect connection with your boyfriend. Whether you're starting a new relationship or looking to strengthen an existing one, these 10 steps will guide you towards a deeper and more meaningful connection. Let's jump right in. Open communication. The foundation of any strong relationship is open communication. Make time to talk to your boyfriend about your thoughts, feelings, and dreams. Listen actively, without judgment, and encourage him to do the same. Communication builds trust and understanding, strengthening your bond. Quality time. Together. In our busy lives, quality time is precious. Set aside dedicated time for just the two of you. Whether it's a date night, a weekend getaway, or simply cuddling on the couch, cherish these moments and use them to connect on a deeper level. Show appreciation. Don't underestimate the power of appreciation. Express gratitude for the little things your boyfriend does, whether it's cooking dinner, sending a sweet text, or simply being there for you. Small gestures of appreciation nurture feelings of love and connection. Respect and support. Respect is key to a healthy relationship. Value your boyfriend's opinions, boundaries, and individuality. Support him in his goals and endeavors, offering encouragement and being his cheerleader. Mutual respect fosters a strong sense of partnership. Keep the romance alive. Don't forget to keep the romance alive. Surprise your boyfriend with thoughtful gestures, whether it's a love note, a spontaneous date, or a simple "I love you" whispered in his ear. Romance adds excitement and passion to your connection. Build trust. Trust is the bedrock of a strong relationship. Be honest, reliable, and consistent in your actions. Trust your boyfriend and let him trust you in return. Trust creates a sense of security and safety within your connection. Share common interests. Find activities that you both enjoy and engage in them together. Whether it's hiking, cooking, or binge-watching your favorite TV show, sharing common interests strengthens your bond and creates lasting memories. Prioritize intimacy. Intimacy goes beyond physical closeness. It's about emotional vulnerability and connection. Make time for intimate conversations, cuddling, and affectionate gestures. Intimacy deepens your bond and fosters a sense of closeness. Be patient and understanding. Every relationship faces challenges. Be patient with each other and strive to understand your boyfriend's perspective. Practice empathy and compassion and work together to overcome obstacles. Patience and understanding nurture a supportive and loving connection. Grow together. Finally, embrace growth and change together. Support each other's personal development and encourage your boyfriend to pursue his passions and goals. Growing together strengthens your connection and keeps your relationship vibrant and fulfilling. And there you have it, 10 steps to building the perfect connection with your boyfriend. Remember, every relationship is unique, so tailor these steps to fit your dynamic. With open communication, quality time, appreciation, respect, romance, trust, shared interests, intimacy, patience, and growth, you'll nurture a connection that lasts a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship tips. Until next time, take care and love deeply.